wood. The price of lumber, 84 lumber, on Depot lumber, Lowe's lumber, doesn't matter, man. The price of lumber is skyrocketing because of the pandemic. A lot of mills have been closed. The COVID has affected a lot of people in a lot of industries. It's affected me, it's affected a lot of real estate investors, but now the world is opening back up, so projects are going up. So come on in, man, and let me show you what we got going on today. We're framing, and I'm about to walk you through this house and show you what's going on. So as you come right here, this is the front door. This is the front door, and just so you know, we did all this today at 9 o'clock. It's now 1:30. So this will be the front door. Walk in through the front door. As you come in, let's see here. What is this? The kitchen?
Kitchen over.
This is the kitchen over here. So this is the same setup as the house next door.
A little different.
So this would be the kitchen. This would be the back door. This is a window. Obviously, this is a window. This is the kitchen area we're walking through right now. This will be the pantry area right here. This is this is a washing room. Right here will be the garage. As we come through here, through the other side of the house, walk over here. This is gonna be awesome when we finish this. We should be done with this house in 60 days. We're doing new construction. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, 1,400 square feet home right here in Fair Park. I'm actually doing 2. This is just one we're showing. This is the master where we're at right now. This will be a window in the master bedroom. This is the closet right here. This is a bathroom. You can see the spigots right here with the tubes spitting out right here for the toilet, for the sink, and for the shower. Let's walk. See, it's easy to walk through here. We don't have any insulation or any walls. So as you go right here, it's another restroom right here. This is the second restroom. That's the first restroom. This will be like a little pantry area right here for you to put towels, so on and so forth. This is a bedroom. As you walk through this bedroom, you see the window. This will be a window. That's bedroom number 2. Now as we come out of here and go right here, this will be bedroom number 3. Here's the front entryway. Here's the front door. I'll post something where I'll show you the blueprint, but I just walked through a house that I'm building right here in Dallas-Fort Worth with some of the most expensive commodity in the world. So just so you know, my framing package was $17,000. Shot all the way up in like 4 months, went from $17,000 to $32,000. And I'm not doing just one house, I'm doing multiple homes simultaneously. So you can see how a $15,000 expense out of budget, because once I originate the loan, it's set. It's like, this is how much you need. We put this in escrow. Here it is. So once you go above that, you have to come out of pocket for that. So it's a different world out here right now. This is one of the things that go on in real estate that I don't have any control over. Nobody has any control over, but we're still playing the game and we're playing to win. The key buys houses and land. Click the link below and let's go. Thank you for watching today.